Donc c'est un véhicule qui se nomme, je ne sais même pas, mais regardez-moi ça. En tout cas, il est électrique. Je vous laisse regarder. Hein. Je sais pas moi. Airbus ou j'en sais rien, mais en tout cas, c'est un véhicule du futur.
So you have one wave that you can be able to scale, do a lot of things at scale, but on the other side it's very costly, it's very expensive to do nano coatings. So what MPI does with our technology, we are able to produce on film a very cheap way, a process. We invented this to create nanostructures that are flat on film and you can stack them.
Ils vont ensemble, je sais pas, mais il est super.
This is how we make things. We are 15 minutes. Our competition does this over 12 hours for a meter square. We have a cost advantage, allowing us to do it at 2 orders of magnitude cheaper, whereas our coating industry does this very expensively for a very simple reason. The cost of energy to make a nanomaterial today is about 1 megajoule per square centimeter. A product that protects against laser strikes. We have been very fortunate this year. We got the San Francisco license to London, UK. But I wanted to summarize by saying that we could not have done this without the support from Startup Partner. Startup Partner is a unique program that allows us to not only accelerate, but to become huge in the aerospace business. And LCT Cloud, the program 10, has been able to connect us not only with aerospace of Airbus, but externally.
Oui, pourquoi vous êtes quel média? Ok, bon, allez-y, faites-vous plaisir. Thank you. Explain you please about this car.
Hi, my name is Luca Buano. I'm the project responsible for the POP.UP Next. POP.UP Next is the natural evolution of the POP.UP 1.0 represented in Geneva last year. This is the result of the cooperation between Audi, Design and Airbus. The POP.UP Next was to be the solution of the problem of the traffic congestion of the megacities. This is the modular concept and it works with 3 objects. One is the ground module, the other one is the capsule, and then we have the drone. The ground module is a fully electric platform that works in autonomous driving. It is a velocity 100 km/h and 100 km of range. The batteries are placed in the platform and is charging with induction. The capsule works at a passenger configuration, but you can imagine it can be also available with the object configuration. So we can imagine also a 24/7 transport delivery or maybe a first aid, whatever. In the capsule we work a lot on weight reduction. So the idea is to reduce the weight as much as possible, because if you can imagine when the capsule must fly, the weight is a big role in this case. Then in the interior we introduce the user experience, really immersive and natural. So we would like that the passenger can live an experience really natural and immersive. That's why we introduced the technology of the eye tracker and the face recognition. Then we introduced the coupling system. This coupling system is inspiring from the satellite NASA connection. So as you can see, this is made in Titan and it works with 3 different locking systems. One is a centering with the drogue. This is a retractor pin that goes in the cone. and then with 3 safety lock that works mechanically. This was tested with great success by Ital Design, and it can hang until 4 times the weight of the capsule. Then we have the drone. The drone is developed together with Airbus. It is a really aerodynamic shape compared to last year that was more geometrical. It works with 8 engines of 22 kilowatt for each one. It is 2 propellers, and all the batteries are placed in each. The range of the drone is 50 kilometers, and it can reach until 120 kilometers per hour.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome and welcome.
Merci.
Merci.
Voilà, donc c'est le véhicule du futur, ou je ne sais pas, en tout cas c'est Pop.UP Next avec des capteurs et tout ce que vous voulez. Donc Luca Buano nous a présenté donc ce véhicule. Voilà, c'est la star par ici quoi. TF1, tout le monde quoi. Voilà, merci. Merci de partager, de liker Iknews pour rester connecté à l'actu everywhere.